Hi Vishnu. Sorry, actually I woke up just now.
Okay.
So we'll discuss today topic OSGI. Like last year we have completed sling models.
Yeah.
Now we are going OSGI. Basically, OSGI is the
Can
open
you share?
service. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now is it visible?
Yeah.
Basically, we are going through the OSGI. Basically, OSGI is the Open Services Gateway Initiative. Meaning, I would say, it has started at this is the year, and OSGI.org is the company name. So initially, they focused only embedded devices. Embedded devices meaning both the hardware and software. For example, EDM. These
Yeah.
kind of comes under the, like initially they has focused only embedded devices. We are using the Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID also developed by the OSGI. So completely
Okay.
it is work with the it has introduced by the OSGI, this organization. Initially they have focused only embedded devices. Later they will I would say they are focused into implementation. They provide a lot of implementations basically. Uh, Apache Felix, Eclipse, Equinox, and Spring VM, Knob, Firefish. These are the implementations. Among those implementation, we will use the Apache Felix. So Apache Felix is the implementation, and which will, with the help of Apache Felix, we can create the bundles. We can create the
Okay.
bundle. The bundle life cycle, I will tell you. Sure. Then after this, what are the advantages of the OSHA? So, in the market, some parallel, I would say, AM 6.5 is the one tool. With the help of this tool, we can easily make the websites. So, there is in the market, we have some parallel tools for the AM 6.5, like Drupal. So, compared to those parallel tools, AM is like we can easily, it is very fast. OSGI maintains the list of classes and provided bundles name. So it is very easy compared to those. The second advantage is reduce the code complexity. Code complexity meaning like the project divided into module and allows the parallel development. I'll show you.
Okay.
Just one second. Okay. Open services get initiative, and then basically we have the modules. For example, if I take the project desktop, this PC, desktop, my project is at this is my project alternate practice code. If I, this is the project. If you observe here the project structure, the entire project is divided into different modules. Different modules. Then what does it
Okay.
mean by the module? Module meaning, for example, in the previous days, so if you observe here, if in the previous days, how they are build up, like construct the bridges, single line, they will construct the bridges. For example, you can assume if there any like uh, in the bridge, the entire bridge, if there any damage will occur in somewhere in the bridge. So if you want to replace the some part, what they will do? It is very like they need to. I would say they need to collapse the bridge, or they need to. I would say uh, collapse the bridge, or they need to replace anything. It is taking too cost to us. So instead of that, they are constructing the bridges like they are. These are the modules. I would say from here to here, these blocks will be manufactured somewhere, and after the manufactured, they will be constructed like this. In future, if any, I would say, defects or might be cracks will be occur, then what they will do, they will easily replace this block. They will easily replace this block. So that is the advantage. So previous old days, the bridge entire bridge will be constructed in the single line only. If is there any might be some cracks and everything will be occur, like they need to change the entire bridge. It is too cost. It is too tough. That's why they are going. The modules topic comes to the picture. Modules topic basically they divide it into different modules. So if there any damage will occur, they can easily replace this part only. This
Yeah.
part only. So that is the advantages. Instead of deleting, instead of collapsing all the bits, so this is the way the crack will be there. Then if I would say if this block has any crack, any damage, they will easily replace. They will easily replace. So in the same way, the project also, the people, the AM people divided into different categories, different modules. Project divided into. So if you go for the AM front end modules,
Okay.
what are the AM front end modules comes? AM front end modules means, so this is the total project modules. So among these folders, these modules, what are the modules comes under the front end? What are the modules comes under the front end? So front end modules are, the first one is the UI apps. You have, I hope this project you have already.
Yeah.
The second one is the content. I would say config, and third one. content, fourth one front end, and fifth one all. So these folders comes under the front end modules, front end modules. UI config, UI content, UI front end, and all and front end. So these five folders comes under the UI front. Then what are the back end modules? What are the back end modules? What are the back end modules? So back end modules are the core only. Core only. Back end modules meaning like we are writing the Java and we are calling that back end concepts towards the HTML. We will write the code. We will write the code. So if you want to deploy like you are writing a backend Java and if you want to deploy only the code, in that time you should use the command maven install minus auto p minus p auto install bundle. So this is the command for uh, to deploy to deploy local code to AIM server. But in these cases, if you want to like if you want to pull the content related to front-end modules, if you want to pull or if you want to push, we will use the packages. We will use the packages. We will use the packages. In the interview perspective, if you in the any interview, they will ask what is the difference between the packages and the bundle. Package and bundle. This is the regular question. They will ask what is the difference between the package and bundle. Basically, package is related to front end. If you want to pull up push, we will use the packages. Like in the IDE plugins, with the help of plugins, we can easily we will get the options like import from the server, export from the server. With that help of that option, we can pull or push the packages. Pull or push the packages. Extension of what is the extension for the package? Extension. Extension for the package is the zip. And what is the extension? This is the extension for package. And what is the extension for bundle? Dodger. Dodger. So yeah, you understood like what are the front end modules and what are the back end modules. If you want to push
Yeah.
the front end modules, we'll have the in the ID we'll have the plugins. With the help of plugins, you can pull the content and push the content. I will show you in for example, if I open Visual Studio, this is my project. If I want to pull the component from there to here, so components basically typically available under the UI apps. UI apps is related to front end topic. So front end module. So the entire front end modules I am like pulling or pushing with the help of plugins. Here is UI apps. This is my project. Under this project, UI apps. So see components. If I right click over the component, you can observe here. You can observe here. Yeah, export to AIM server, import to AIM server. For this purpose, I have installed the plugin. That's why this ID is showing these options. Import from AIM server, export to the AIM server. So with the help of AIM plugins, so you can easily import or export the content. These related, these five topics, I would say these five modules, you can able to get pull the content or push the content with the help of plugins. But if you want to deploy, if you want to deploy the backend code into the server, the way is the command. Only the way is the command. So with the help of this command only can able to deploy our code into the project. Can deploy our code into the project. So in the interview perspective, the next question is, what is the life cycle of the bundle? This is the next question. This is the next question. What is the life cycle of the bundle? So basically, there the seven stages will be there. One is I will show you quietly as well. Install state. The second one resolve, and third one start. Fourth one active, and fifth one stop. Sixth one uninstall, uninstall, and seventh one restore. Restore. So these are the seven stages. These are the seven stages. I will show you diagrammatically as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, Vishnu, I didn't get you.
Just
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So demo is the backend. Demo is my product name. This is the backend. So demo.core.java, core.java. Now I want to deploy this one. For that purpose, I will use the command. The command is maven install -p auto install bundle bundle now. So we have the AIM architecture. In the AIM architecture, I have explained. So in the AIM architecture, basically we have three layers. AIM architecture. Those are, first one is Apache Felix, and I would say second one is JSPR, and the third one is I would say Apache Felix, JSR, third one is the OSGI. These are the three frameworks which will be available under the OSGI. These frameworks are created inside the AIM architecture. The same diagram I will draw here. So this is the Apache Felix. The first, like whenever you will give the command like this, the bundle will come to here. The bundle will comes to here. This is the Apache Felix. This is the Apache. Apache is the one framework. Whenever you deploy the bundle will move to here. Apache Felix. Apache Felix. This is the first step. After this step, the bundle will goes to from here to here, here to here. This is the JSR basically. JSR, and this is the OSGI framework. OSGI framework. You got it what I'm saying? In the AIM that architecture were constructed with three frameworks. Apache Felix is the one framework, JSR is the one framework,
Yes.
OSGI is
Yes.
these frameworks are created inside the AIM architecture. So
Okay.
this is the total AIM architecture. Apache is the one framework, and JSR is the one framework, and OSGI is the framework.
Yes.
So we are written some code. We are deploying the code like the backend code into the AEM server. So this is the like I am saying the flow. We have given the I would say command. A bundle will deploy it into the first. It will goes to the Apache, and then it will goes to the
Apache to JS.
it will goes to the JSR. JSR meaning content repository. Content repository. I will show you what does it mean by Apache. Apache meaning open. I will open my project. So Apache Felix, there you can see the timestamp, when the bundle got installed, when the bundle was deployed into the in server. You can check the timestamp. You can cross check the timestamp.
Okay.
So open settings. and we'll have the operations, web console. So this is the Apache Felix console dashboard, Apache Felix dashboard. So OSGI bundles, and then OSGI bundles. Now Control F, I will search my project demo. If I open here, if I open here, so this is the last time deployment, March 28th, the last time
Okay.
deployment. So there we can check uh, bundle, like when the bundle got installed and all. So the I would say the bundle will comes to Apache Felix framework, and then it will goes to the JSR content. JSR content meaning after that we can able to check the project in our local host 4502, and if you go to the CRST content repository extreme development, so then it is the different framework. That the bundle, that second step it will comes to the JCR. So
Yeah.
now the it is available in the demo dot jar. Let's say demo core dot jar. Okay, fine. After that, the bundle will goes to the OSGI will have the different modules. I will show you in the PPT. If you observe, this is the basically OSGI is the framework. So again, the framework is constructed with multiple layers: execution environment layer, module layer, lifecycle layer, and service layer, security layer. Now we are dealing with the module layer. So the bundle will goes to the after JSON container. The bundle will goes to the module layer. There we will demo dot co dot jar module. So whenever the bundle comes from JCR CRST to OSJ, that is the first one. I would say that is the first step. Meaning the bundle is in install state. Install state. So that is the life cycle of the life cycle first step. We have seen like the bundle life cycle. These are the seven steps basically. So the first step is the bundle was whenever you give the deployment command, it will goes to the Apache framework, and then it will comes to the JCR CRX3 JCR CRX3, and then it will comes to the OSHA. Whenever the bundle got comes from JCR to OSHA, then that is the install state.
Yeah.
Install, and the second step is the second step is second step is I would say I will tell basically with the help of pure with the help of only Java in the project, it is impossible to build the project. We can take multiple frameworks help as well. For example, React.js, and we can take the multiple frameworks help as well. So with the help of only core Java, with the help of only Java, it is impossible to build the one project. If you want to complete project, you can take the multiple third parties APIs, and you can take the different frameworks help as well. So if you want to take the third parties APIs help, or if you want to take third parties frameworks, then we need to import those libraries, and we can write the programs, and you can make the website easily. You can make the website easily, like the downloading and adding a dependency. Who will take care? Maven is the tool. It is very powerful automation tool. That things, the downloading and adding dependency. If you add the dependency, it will automatically download the related third party, I would say APIs or third party frameworks, it will download it automatically and all. So that's the thing. Like with the help of only Java, it is impossible to build the project. We can we will take developing the project. We will take the third party frameworks or third party APIs help as well. If you want to import those, if you want to use those APIs or third party, I would say frameworks, we will download those related libraries, and then we can able to write the program. So here from state one to state, the bundle check the dependencies, check the dependencies, all the dependencies is there or not there. If not there, if not there, it will be there at the install state only. If the dependency everything is good, then it will go to the second step. That is the resolve step. That is the second step. That is the resolve step. In the interview perspective, this is the regular question. This is the regular question. If the bundle is at the install state, and like what is the issue, like how will you resolve the issue? So in that time you can tell like uh, for our project we need some dependencies. Is there any dependencies issue? We can resolve those issues, then you can able to bundle move from install state to resolve state. This is the resolve state, and the third step is start. Start. Typically, the start comes from, these are comes from the bundle activator interface. These will be executed automatically. These will be executed automatically. I'll show you that one also. I'm taking any file. I'm going to core SRC, and these are the different packages. I will open string models. Anything I will open. I will create one class. The class name I will give. The class name I will give. Uh, test.java. Test.java. So I will implement bundle activator. Bundle activator. So bundle activator you can observe here. It is coming from the position. Position. So I'm selecting this one. It is throwing there because we need to add the unimplemented method. Okay. Okay. So if you can observe here, you can observe here who will write this start method, who will write this start method. Basically, the start and stop methods are comes from the bundle activator. Bundle activator is the interface. It will be available in the OSGI framework. OSGI framework. So it will be like whenever the bundle got comes to the resolve state, the start method will be executed automatically. And then the first step is the bundle goes to activator. The bundle goes to activate, and then the step is stop, and sixth step is uninstall. Uninstall, uninstall. So I will show you those things in the. So if I open this one, operations, web console, and OSGI bundles, bundles, controller, demo. So this is my bundle. If you observe here, this is the stop method. This is the stop. The
Yeah.
stop option is coming from the OSGI framework with the help of bundle activator interface. And if I stop the bundle, it will goes to the result state.
Okay.
It is going to the result state. The bundle always should be in the active state only. If you want to
Oh,
stop the bundle temporarily, then we will have the option that is the stop. Now we need
okay.
to start the bundle. With the help of start, the bundle will goes to the active. If the bundle don't want and you want to uninstall the bundle, then we will have the option uninstall. We have the
Understood.
uninstall. I will show you same life cycle. So you can observe here. This is the like the bundle we have deployed manually installed with the help of command. You can deploy the bundle from local to AIM Apache. So that it is comes to here. First, it is in the resolve state, and it will check the dependencies is there or not there. Everything is fine. Then it is goes to the resolve state, and whenever
Okay.
like after the resolve state it will automatically execute the start method, and then it will goes to the active. The bundle always should be the in active state only. If like can configure, like if you want to stop the bundle temporarily, there will have the option. So if you stop the bundle, it will goes to the reserve state. It will goes to the reserve. And then again we will have the option that is the uninstall state.
Okay.
If you want to uninstall the bundle, then you can able to uninstall the bundle. Uninstall the bundle.
Yeah.
So in the interview perspective, so they will ask like these questions only. What is the life cycle of the bundle? And what is the difference between package and bundle? And what are the front end modules and what are the back end AE modules? And these questions they will ask. These questions
Okay.
they will ask. And the one very, I would say, very important thing is what is OSGI components and what is OSGI services? What is OSGI services? So from here to here, this is the part one, and we will have the part two. This like what is OEG component, what is OEG service. This is a very easy concepts only. So, so this is the front end.